sound I constantly hear throughout the day is
footsteps,
a bunch of people talking,
the bird,
doors closing,
buses going by,
the ice cream truck,
leaves chafing,
chairs squeaking,
my voice,
skateboards,
gum wrappers,
laughter,
the saxophone,
TV,
music,
people eating.
noises of cars.
Huh?
So one of the sounds that I miss is usually just like when I would get home when I was like a kid, I'd hear my sister there, and it'd just be like this incessant yabbering at me. So she'd always be telling me to like do my homework or clean my room and stuff. But like now I don't really hear it because she doesn't live with us anymore. So like it's just mostly like the sound of my sister's voice.
It's a voice. It's like my grandpa's voice. Like throughout the day, that's like I would miss that.
the sound of me being like a little kid. I would always be there like in the kitchen, like being a troublemaker, and I'd listen to that little like sizzling sound. Like, sound really cool.
I remember like I would be inside home just watching TV or something, and right away I would hear the little music of the ice cream truck, and I would like run to try to buy an ice cream. And you don't really hear it often these days anymore.
I miss the sound of a baby cry, because there's always a baby in the house, but that's stopping.
My grandfather had like it wasn't an old car, it was a van. And the way it would start up sounded kind of different than like a normal car. I can't like describe it very well, but it was really, really noticeable and loud, and so that was like a big, to hear it again on occasion, it's like nostalgic.